So, when you log into this website, this will enable you to already access the free assets as you would see here. See? There are a lot of assets and some of you might be skeptical or medyo nagdududa na libre ba talaga itong ano? Is this already free? Free ba talaga tong mga pinamimigay ni Adobe? Yes. Yan po. Use Adobe Stock free assets. Again, free assets with confidence in your next commercial project. Our free assets, yan. So magagamit nyo po yan as you would see here. And then let's find photos on other categories. Okay, so let's try to download an asset on which you can use on our presentation. For example, this one. Let's click on that. So I could prove to you that this is all for free. All the assets that you would see inside of this collection is free for you to use even for commercial projects. As you would see here, I have downloaded some of the images here and also some vector graphics using my Adobe account. And I've saved this to my what we call Creative Cloud libraries, as you would see here. Yeah. This one is already classified on my Creative Cloud libraries as Adobe Stock free assets. You can just create this and then you can use this on your application. So let's check. Okay, so it has already loaded on my end. So as you would see, rubber fig plant on a living room. You can just have to click hit this license for free, and then after this will be sent to your Creative Cloud account, as you would see here, saving to default library, which is my Adobe Stock free assets. Ayan. So this one is a high resolution photo, which is 8.3 megabytes in size. Ganun siya kataas. Or, as you would see here, this will also offer you more from this series. But the thing is, if I click on this one would be already a paid asset. So, yung lahat lang po ng nakalagay dun sa free is all the things that you can access. And pag nagkaroon dito ng license for free, ibig sabihin siya po ay free asset. Okay? All of this, even if you're on standard, even if you're on extended licenses, the free license is enabling you to use all of these assets, 70,000 plus assets, even on your commercial use. Okay? So if you want to also save this to your library like I did, as you would see here, meron ako dito mga library. I can also open this into my specific application. For example, if I saw this and I want to open this on Photoshop, I can definitely do so. Ito yung, this one is the following applications that is supported by this feature para ibigay doon sa application. You can enable it for Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere, After Effects, and InDesign. So as you would see, this is the website on which you log on to your stock.adobe.com/free. And as you would see, ito yung pinaka-screenshot ng mga na-license ko na mga images at wala akong binayaran dyan. And also this, ito yung ginamit ko dun sa background for the invite. Let's try free vectors. Subukan natin to Let's try free vectors kasi mas magaang siya. Mas magaang yung free vectors para makita nyo agad yung process natin kung paano siya ginagawa. Okay? As you would see here sa ating on our search here, we have almost 15,000 results which is for free. Okay? All of this is for free that you can use. Okay, for example, if I want to download specific something like this, click on that. Yeah. So when I click on that, maglalabas siya ng isa pang window for you to check your options. For example, if you want to download this, if you want to open this to an application, pwede nyo gawin. So, Ang tanong, paano kung pumunta ako dun sa ano, hindi free asset? So, kailangan niyo pong bayaran yun. Kasi as you would see, uh, the primary objective of this session also is to for people to know that there are free assets for that they can use for Adobe Stock. As you would see here, nag-download na yung ating Illustrator file. Medyo magaang siya, wala pa siyang 1 MB. Pag natapos yan, makikita nyo, ganun kabilis. Walang watermark kayong makikita at license po yan sa inyong paggamit. So nakita nyo, nakakapag-download na agad kayo. If you're on the desktop computer, ma-download nyo siya agad, magamit nyo siya, kahit na siya ay JPEG, kahit siya Illustrator file. Pero pag nasa mobile phone po kayo, mag-download din po siya sa inyong mobile phone. Kaso syempre, kailangan meron din kayong application at meron kayong Creative Cloud account na naka-tie in doon.